Yeah, we were just out there hiking and got chased out. It did not look like this an hour ago when we were here. It's all burnt out now. So they chased us out, told us to go home. So that's what we got. Fires right here.
Ooh, fire! Fire!
Cut our trip short. I think Bill started that with his lighter, but no, not really.
Cigarette.
Controlled burn. We'll be back to finish the loops. Over and out.